Philippine National Police has put its anti-drug war on hold, but this doesn't mean drug suspects should get comfortable. Malacanang says anti-drug operations will continue.
The impression is that it stopped. No. What happens is the local police, the PNP, has been asked to desist from engaging in anti-drug operations, but the operations will continue under the PIDEA.
But just like the PNP, which has decided to focus on cleansing its ranks, PIDEA too has its own group of corrupt officers, the very same reason why the police stopped its anti-drug operations.
We have an ongoing cleansing. It's a continuing one.
Apart from the problem of having corrupt men, PIDEA is now forced to take on the widespread drug problem with its limited manpower. But the president is already eyeing a solution for this. He wants to revive a military unit to augment PIDEA.
Philippine Constabulary may be
PNP.
reactivated.
Presidential spokesman Ernesto Abella confirmed that the president raised this idea on Sunday night's command conference with the AFP and the PNP. But details on how and when the Philippine Constabulary will be revived are still vague. Abella says what he does know is that the PC will be formed by members of the AFP and that it will eventually lead law enforcement on a national scale, leaving the PNP with law enforcement at the local level. Abella says the president believes that unlike civilian police officers, soldiers are less vulnerable to corruption. The Philippine Constabulary was active during the Marcos regime and became infamous for arresting critics of the administration. Allegations of abductions, torture, and other human rights abuses hounded the group.
We can begin with a clean slate, and that, assuming that they would be in a better, quote-unquote, moral position.
The PC used to be the law enforcement arm of the AFP. It was merged with what used to be the Integrated National Police to form the now PNP. Reviving it would require amendments to the PNP's charter, which Malacanang says are underway. Ina Andolong, CNN Philippines.